They've become the scourge of rubbish collectors the world over. Chances are there's a growing pile of them somewhere in your house. Thankfully, at least now there's recycling which can purge both the conscience and the kitchen drawer. It's the humble plastic bag. Plastic bags are made simply from granules of linear polyethylene resin that will be melted. They combine the granules with other low-density resins in this mixer, where the combination is blended into a homogeneous material. Granules melt in the extruder, which heats them to a temperature of 240 degrees centigrade. A polythene film billows upwards in the form of a tube, several hundred meters long. When the plastic gradually cools down, rollers flatten out the tube. The tube is cut into two separate rolls. The polythene film is now easy to work with. A knife then cuts the film to the required width. The excess strip is salvaged in this tube. Several hundred meters of film are produced and rolled up. When the roll is full, the film is cut. A full roll weighs 158 kilos and can produce 35,000 bags. The next step is the printing of the bags. This alcohol-based ink circulates continuously to retain its viscosity. Impressions are made by inking rollers. Each colour has a separate run. Once printing is over, the plastic film is rolled up again. The roll is now full and the cutting of bags can get started. This machine makes 150 per minute as a sealer bonds the edges of the bags together with heat. The wheel picks up the bags and puts them on two spindles that can hold 250 each. These bags are being fitted with a hermetic zipper. The zipper is made from a plastic pad which inserts into a slot. Made in advance, the zipper is unrolled progressively. The zipper strip is cut and heat bonded to the bag at 180 degrees centigrade. A quick check that everything's functioning as it should. In another department, plastic bags with handles are created. Printed bags circulate on these rollers. A machine that seals the sides gives the bags the desired shape at the same time. Then another machine with a punch cuts the handle holes. Bags are heat sealed and cut at 150 degrees centigrade. And here, further designs are being formed. One end of the bag is heat sealed. This machine makes holes which let air out of the bag when it's being filled. This allows them to hold more. At this stage, a stamper cuts the handle holes. Bags are cut to the required size, automatically sealing the other side of it. In just a single day, this relatively small factory can produce a staggering 1 million bags a day.